Hey, my name's Andrew. This is REKA. We're just out here deep sea fishing. What we're after here is an apex predator of the great deep ocean, the Mako shark. Whoa! Let me toss him! Yeah! It's a giant Mako! Giant! England on a Mako!
Hey guys, so as you just saw, we just got a Mako shark. Woohoo! And actually we just got steaks from a friend. My name's Andrew. Today we're gonna REKA Mako shark steaks with a side of asparagus over a lemon butter sauce. Out of all the shark species, there's only a couple of species that don't have high mercury counts in them, which is bad for your health. And Mako shark is one of them. So it's actually safe to eat. It is a phenomenal fish to eat. It eats just like swordfish. It would rival a ribeye steak on your plate. And so today we're going to show you how to enjoy the predator. So you become the predator to the predator. We have, of course, our star of the show, our Mako 1-inch thick cut steaks. We have our creative Cajun seasoning swamp dust. I have 2 lemons and I have 2 limes. I have some pasted lemongrass. I have a stick of butter, and of course we have some large fat cut asparagus. Before we go to the grill, we're gonna season our Mako steaks. We're gonna take our creative Cajun seasoning, just the standard swamp dust. Today I'm not using the fire department blend. I really like this one. It's super flavorful. We're just gonna put that on both sides. I'm gonna go get the grill fired up, then we're gonna build our butter sauce. It's all coming together from there. Let's go. Okay, so now we're taking the remainder of the ingredients and I'm gonna start to slowly melt the butter. I'm gonna add the lemon and the lime juice in with the lemongrass, and I'm gonna round that whole dish off with some magic swamp dust. Let's get cooking and bring this beautiful sauce dish together. That's all she wrote. We're gonna take that off the heat now. Okay, so what I've got right here is I poured most of the sauce out into my little gravy boat, and I've kept a little bit in here because I want to dredge it through these asparagus. So let's go and take these fresh cut asparagus right here, and we're going to put them over low heat and get this boy rolling. Last thing we're gonna do is dredge the 2 lemon halves over the top of everything, a little bit of swamp dust seasoning, and we're gonna leave it. Let's go. I am reporting live, and I'm here to tell you that looks far more tame than this.
It's not complete.
Let's get busy enjoying this amazing piece of fish. So we're gonna take this, we've got some nice cross hatching going on there. We're gonna take a couple of our beautiful asparagus. We're gonna plate them end on end like that. We're gonna give ourselves one of these. And here is our lemongrass, lime, citrus, butter sauce. And we're gonna just dredge that all over. And that's a wrap, folks. That is Mako on a plate. The hunter became the hunted. I am impressed and proud of this work. I already know what I'm getting into because I had it last week. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's that good. The lemon sauce, the lemongrass, the asparagus, magic swamp dust is just gonna compile into a beautiful dish. So let's go in, let's taste our work, and let's rate ourselves. See, you can see it's very steaky.
Fish are friends, not food.
You ready? Let's go. It's everything that I expected and more. It's super good. So you get these large, steaky flakes. This would rate at a 5-star restaurant anywhere in the world.
Usually you pay double for that kind of action, Cotton.
So let's try our asparagus. So for me, that's perfect. Just enough crunch where you actually feel like you're eating something. I'm super happy with this. If you have a local fish market Go find some, if they have some Mako. If they don't, ask for swordfish. You're gonna be able to replicate this dish. Actually has no hint of fishiness at all. It's like a white steak. It's like a white meat steak. All the flavors of this dish have made this a delicious, delightful meal. So thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe if you're enjoying this channel. We're not asking you for any money. We're just asking you to hit that subscribe button. Come on, you can do it. Doesn't cost you nothing. Come on, you can do it. Get on it, get on it. Give us some support, and we are looking forward to bringing you some more very exciting dishes coming right up next week. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless.